What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to change the font weight very easy using the Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can start to open this Adobe Illustrator and you can continue to click new. This is the home page, by the way. And after that, you can start to adjust the size of the blank page or the project. You can also create it for the mobile things or the mobile content, and also for the website, and also print and film and video. And for example, I will only use this width and also height, and you can also change it into the point, let's say until the pixel. There are points because inches, millimeter, centimeter, and also the pixels. And don't worry, you can also adjust or give the name of your project, for example project 1, and continue to click create. And after that, this will be the blank space to create or start off your project. And after that, to create or type the text, you can start to click this T, and when you click this in the white page, you'll see this is the word that usually as the initial text. And after that, if you would like to, let's say, make it bigger, then I will go to this selection tool, and as you can see that this text has been selected, and I will click this section and drag it down, and you'll see the size is come bigger. And you can actually change the, let's say, the font style by go to this character like this. This is the set font family. You can see the drop down, and you'll see a bunch of the font style, and without clicking one of this font style, the text over here has give you the look. What if I use this font style? There are a bunch of the font style over here, and you can use it for your editing. And you can also change this font style to be the, let's say, medium. Okay, there is the medium actually. And this is the first alternative that you can use. However, if you don't find this character to change this font weight, don't worry, because you can pop it up by clicking this window, and after that you can go to this type and click this character. And this working the same as this one without clicking the fonts over here. So this will give you the look. What if I use this font? And also for this one, it will show you the medium one. And maybe for the Myrat Pro, it will give you more options. Let's say to be condensed, condensed italic, bold condensed, bold condensed italic, until the bold italic. Which one do you prefer? So this can be the fastest way if you would like to change the font weight in the Adobe Illustrator. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.